My name's Jennifer and I'm a full-time YouTuber. I am pretty lucky to be able to do what I love to do as a job. Hi, my name is Jennifer and I'm a full-time YouTuber. I am pretty lucky to be able to do what I love to do as a job.
I don't know what is going on.
I literally don't know what I'm gonna do.
I just want to sleep so badly.
I think to an outside viewer, being a YouTuber is like the perfect job. Going on brand trips, making money, making your own schedule, going to events, getting free stuff. Yeah, there's a ton of perks of being a YouTuber. You get to be creative and have people support you. And in theory, being a YouTuber really isn't that hard. I mean, you just make a couple of videos a month and post on Instagram. Like really, it's not rocket science we're doing here. It's just making videos and technically anyone can do that. And because of that, I often feel like I don't deserve this success or this platform or to be making the amount of money that I make, because I feel like there are people out there who deserve this way more than I do. There are teachers out there, marine biologists, doctors, people who are actually making a big impact on the world. And I'm just out here making stupid videos about cutting my own hair and cleaning my room. It's just this constant cycle of feeling accomplishment and then feeling like I don't deserve to feel that way because I'm not actually doing anything impactful in my eyes, which is why it's often easy for me and probably other people to dismiss the struggles of being a social media influencer because of all the perks. And it feels stupid to be complaining sometimes because honestly, my job is supposed to be so easy. I'm slowly realizing that everything that I say in this video is contradictory because I'm like, I don't want to complain, but here I am complaining. The point of this video is I wanted to show you guys a week in my life working. I'm not going to try to make it look worse or better than it really is. I'm going to portray it as realistically as possible. This is just how I work. I can't speak for anyone else. And I also wanted to why am I gonna cry? Stop. I also wanted to document this week in my life because I wanted to, oh my god, no. Why is there moisture in my eyeballs? What is this? Hydration. Nope. I got no tears left to cry. I also wanted to document this week in my life because I want to look back on it in the future, hopefully from a better place. And hope I don't look, oh my god, why the freak am I crying? Oh my god. Holy, I just want to get through this freaking sentence. Can we do this? I also wanted to document this week in my life just to look back on in the future, and hopefully I'll be at a different place in my life where I have my life together and where I'm like a productive, functioning human being and I'm a boss lady. I mean, I kind of am still a boss lady, but I'm like a barely functioning boss lady. I'm not gonna freaking cry. Anyway, wow, this video is gonna be a mess. After that depressing intro, let's go to Monday. What's up guys, it's Jennifer. No, that is not my intro. What up hooligans, it's Jennifer. So today is a DIY filming day. Currently, I am filming a thrift flip. I am currently working on this and this piece. I'm hoping to finish these two today. You guys know I travel to LA sometimes, but I do live in Canada. I feel like my life is pretty different from those YouTubers who live out there because I'm kind of isolated from that scene. It's kind of harder to be productive and be inspired because I'm not around peers who are doing the same things as me, who will challenge me and motivate me to do better. This is a very self-reliant process where I have to be really organized and have self-discipline and manage my time wisely, which I am very, very bad at managing my time. First of all, because I am really slow at doing everything because I am a huge perfectionist. I just have like really, really high standards. Second, because I'm a big procrastinator. Okay, so I flipped this, but I tried it on and it looks disgusting. So I'm gonna have to redo this. This, I just have a couple more steps. Okay, I'm gonna film this. Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you. I've literally been sitting here for 20 minutes because I don't know how to start. I have to plan everything out religiously in my head, but I don't know. Bro, I'm just stressed. Typical Monday. And it's not even like, okay, I don't even, okay, no, it's fine.
Hi. I don't know what is going on. My heart is beating like really fast for absolutely no reason, and I don't know why I'm this stressed right now. I think it's because I'm filming that thrift flip and then also filming this video at the same time, but like for this video I have no idea how it's gonna go because I don't really have a real plan. I feel like I'm being so dramatic right now, but I don't know why. Like I just feel so stressed for like no reason. I don't know what's going on. For the record, I usually don't get this visibly stressed. You know, I wanted to do a work week in my life, but now it's more like a get stressed with me. Just kind of like one in the same. Okay, you know what? I think to just ease my mind a little bit, I'm going to bullet journal, plan my week out. Hey guys, so I finally finished bullet journaling. So I had a bunch of stuff planned for today. Honestly, I haven't done any of it just because I don't know what's going on with me. I have a bunch of calls this week, and then this is what I'm planning on uploading this Sunday. Let me show you the November spread. Basically, I just followed my friend Amanda Rach Lee's plan with me, like a coffee, tea type of thing. This is my month spread. I guess I'm glad that I at least did something productive today, but I just feel so disappointed in myself. I just feel like so guilty for not doing anything, even though like I really want to. I kind of went through something similar last year at this same time. I was just like in bed all day for like a couple weeks and like didn't go outside and like never left my room and like didn't really talk to people. But it was like a really rough time for me because I had just like dropped out of school and it was my first time not being in school. Right now I feel like kind of similar to that, and I hope that doesn't happen because I have so many videos that I want to do, but for some reason I just like don't have the motivation to do it. Hi. I'm planning on doing kind of like... What's up guys? It is Tuesday. I am feeling actually a lot better than yesterday. Last night I got food with my friend and we had a pretty good conversation. Like I said yesterday, this job is very self-reliant and it's a very lonely job, basically working by myself all day, every day. And while I am a huge introvert and I love alone time, sometimes I do get like socially deprived and I just literally won't talk to another human being for days, which is kind of insane. So I think I needed that social interaction to like get me through the week. So this morning I actually had 2 calls. One was at 11:30 and then I had one right after. They lasted about an hour. I literally can take calls from my bed, which is a pro and a con. The 2 calls were with a brand that I am working with on a sponsored video, and then another one was just with my manager. Right now I have to do some research for an upcoming video with the brand that I was just talking to on the phone. I have to send over my video concept as well as how I'm gonna incorporate the talking points, and then I'm gonna try to do some pumpkin carving today because I want to do a vlog about that on my vlog channel. Hopefully I'll finish 2 of the thrift flips today. I also have to make a thumbnail because I have to get that approved by another brand that I'm working with for another video. A lot of stuff is just going on. Update, I have ordered all of the supplies for that embroidery video and I also sent out all the notes to the brand. So I'm filming my pumpkin carving vlog. I wore this because I kind of don't look the greatest today and I want to like cover it as much as possible. Is that self-love? Maybe not, but like we really don't have time to think about the morals that I'm putting out right now. So vlog channel is just kind of ancillary. I kind of just put whatever I want onto my vlog channel just for funsies. Kind of reminds me of the starting days on YouTube. Main channel is more highly produced stuff I have to plan out. Stresses me out more. I don't really make money from my vlog channel, so it's really just like a way for me to make sure that I'm having fun making videos. It is a couple hours later. I finished filming the video for my vlog channel. I actually feel like quite revived now. It feels good to do something creative for fun and not because it's your job. Lately, I've been really stressed about views on my main channel. So I'm actually ready to finally do my thrift flips. I think that I should be able to finish at least one of them. It's currently 9:42. I'm feeling motivated. I'm feeling good. I think it'll be a productive night. I am back in my room. My whole family's asleep, but I just realized that I actually have a couple more things that I have to do. So I have to send my pumpkin carving vlog footage over to my vlog channel editor. Yes, I do have an editor for my vlog channel, but I edit all my main channel stuff. And then I realized I have to send over a thumbnail for approval. So I have to make that right now, and then I can hopefully go to sleep. It is now 1:30 a.m. and I finally finished making the thumbnail. I mean, I'm like satisfied with the result and I kind of just want to sleep. It's not my favorite, but I think it'll be fine. Usually I make like 10 versions of the same thumbnail because I am super indecisive. Usually it takes anywhere from like 1 to 3 hours to make a thumbnail. I am going to send this over to the brand. I think I was pretty productive today. Pretty happy about it. I'll see you tomorrow. What's up, guys? It's me. I just took a shower. I woke up at 9:30 today, but it's currently 11:28 and I have a call in 2 minutes. Hello?
And
just had a call. I don't know if I'm allowed to say this. I just had a call with Apple about their new AirPods. While they were talking through the AirPods, they were delivered. Super excited to try these out. Super thankful. Thank you to Apple. I'm getting ready because I have a lunch at 12:30. It is currently 11:50. Good morning. It is currently 10:25. I have a call in about 5 minutes. Yeah, I've been having a lot of calls this week and I'm kind of enjoying the fact that it makes me wake up relatively early for me. Yesterday, I just went to lunch with my friend Lina D Productions, if you guys know, and I always love hanging out with her because she's like the only other YouTuber I know in Vancouver. I didn't end up filming anything yesterday because I was really tired and I got lazy, and it sounds really bad when I say that because I have the ability to be lazy and just not do anything because I don't have like someone higher up to answer to. I actually wish that I had a boss sometimes because I kind of don't like working for myself because I feel like I work really well on other people's deadlines. Hello? Hi guys. Feels like I have a face full of Botox because in the morning I just don't enjoy moving. But had a really good call with Fanjoy. Merch coming?
So I actually had this call months ago and my merch is finally out. If you would like to check it out, fanjoy.co/GenerationDIY. I'll leave the link down below.
Anyway, we're gonna have a good productive filming day since yesterday I was literally a lump of coal and we need to make up for that time. So it is now 2:30. I think I've been working on that for like an hour or so, but now it is ready for export and then also work on the thumbnail. Oh my, holy crap, holy crap. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay. So I accidentally spilled my giant cup of water and I didn't, shoot, wow, I just did it again. I didn't even realize what happened until I lifted my arm up and it was like really heavy. And I looked down and it's soaking. Just, oh my god, wait, my laptop is, no! Oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot. Okay, life happens. Great. I am stupid! I do this all the time, but I uploaded the video on the wrong channel. I uploaded this vlog onto JENerationDIY, so I'm gonna have to re-upload it on my vlog channel. I have finished the thumbnail. All right, gonna set it as public now. All right, it is live. Hi. It is currently, oh shoot, it's 2:30. I just finished a thrift flip. Thought it was gonna turn out looking like trash. Kind of does, but it kind of works still. See you tomorrow. Hi. Hi. Hello? Hi. Hello. So I'm currently filming the third thrift flip right now and I am very stressed out. This tends to happen a lot with thrift flips just because first of all it's a DIY, so I have to do a really good job just so that, you know, it looks good for camera and stuff, but especially for thrift flips because I only have one shot at it. If I mess up, like, I can't go back. For this one, I literally don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm kind of stuck between a couple options. If I do one thing wrong, it's gonna mess the whole thing up. I don't know if I should just cinch it in at the side or if I should cut down the middle and make it like a cardigan type thing. And if I make it a cardigan, do I just do one button up here so that it like opens up at the bottom, or do I do multiple buttons? But if I do multiple buttons, then I also have to worry about making holes, and then I have to worry about hemming those holes. However, I don't really know how to hem sweaters because you're not really supposed to do that. Those are just a few of my thoughts going through my brain as I'm doing a thrift flip. Usually I do plan and research and know exactly what I'm gonna do, but as I'm doing it, still things will go wrong and won't look exactly like I thought it would in my head. But I also think it's good to deal with a little bit of stress because it kind of challenges you and pushes you, and without a challenge, you'll never improve. I'm fine.
Hello, I'm at the thrift store right now. I'm gonna buy some buttons.
I'm back from the thrift store. You know how people go to Target, they're like, oh, I only need one thing, and then come back with a bunch? That's kind of like me with the thrift store. Do I really need the stuff? Probably not, but I was like, what a deal, what a steal. Turns out there were no buttons at the thrift store, so I had to kind of think on my feet, and I found these bracelets. Not really sure what I'm doing still, but you know what? I'll figure it out. It's fine. What is up? It is currently 1:48. Not as late as I thought it was. Yesterday I went to sleep at 3, so I'm trying not to let that happen again. Almost done with the thrift flip. I think I'm just gonna finish up the last couple of things tomorrow morning. I'm so excited to sleep. Hi! So I finally finished the DIY portion of the thrift flip. I have to go out because I have a family dinner. When I get back, I have to film the try-on portion and then the talking portion, which I also have to plan out. And then I have to edit the entire video, which is gonna take a long time. So we'll be pulling a very late night today. I look like a bald librarian. I am back from dinner. It's actually 10:30. I'm going to write out my talking points for the video. Usually I don't write out what I'm gonna say, but for thrift flip, since I talked through the entire process, I have to know exactly what I'm talking about. So just to go through my process, filming a thrift flip usually takes 2 to 3 days to film the actual DIY portion. I can usually knock out the try-on and the talking portion in 1 day, and then editing without any breaks, maybe like 10 to 15 hours.
Okay, never mind. I think it's probably closer to 20 to 25 hours because you will see.
Oh shoot, it's now 12:30. I just finished writing out my outline. I'm actually getting really tired. Dude, I'm going delusional. Like I don't even, my speaking is, okay. Today I'm doing another thrift flip. I knew that, frick, what am I trying to say? So the first thrift flip, we're starting out, so for the first thrift flip, okay, it is currently 1:30 and I finished filming the talking portion. So right now I have to film the try-on portion of the video. Through this video, you can just really see that I am not an organized person. I kind of just like push through and make it work, which I've kind of been doing my whole life, and it's kind of worked out. Definitely don't follow my example. Outfit number 1 complete. Second outfit, done. Third outfit, done. It's now 5 a.m. This is insane. But what's even weirder is I don't really feel tired. Hi, I'm so freaking tired. I ended up sleeping at like 6 just because I was like importing footage and starting rough cuts. It's time to get editing. I think I actually have to go to the bank in 20 minutes.
And then I just spent the next 2 days just straight editing from when I woke up to when I went to sleep.
I just want to sleep so badly. Somehow we'll be feeling like we the same shoe. Damn, she really be buttering up again. Can me and you cuddle up with the fan blown things. Yeah, I know you love me. What the frick?
Jennifer, what did you?
What?
I was going to ask you, but you didn't turn on the lights.
Oh my god.
Remember how I told you I make like 10 different thumbnail options because I'm an indecisive lump of coal? Well, here are those options. And I ended up going to sleep at around like 6 a.m., but it's fine. Was it worth the sleep deprivation? You know, I'm not even actually sure anymore. So that was my week. Hope it gave you a little bit of insight into why my videos are always late. There are always ups and downs, but all in all, being a YouTuber is a very great job. It's very rewarding and I wouldn't trade it for anything. As much as I loved showing you guys a pretty accurate depiction of what my life is like right now, hopefully in the future it'll be less sleep deprived and more lighthearted. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Shout out of the week is right here, and I will see you guys next time for a more put together video. Bye!